Is it possible to make a small space look stylish, relaxing, and well-designed without spending too much money? That's what we wanted to prove with this project. Our goal was to turn this small space into a timeless home using a modern classic design style. And the best part, the total proposed design cost for the living, dining, and kitchen areas came in at under $3,800, including materials, furniture, lighting, decor, and every detail in between. In this video, we'll show you how we planned the layout, selected materials, and made every design choice count while staying on a tight budget. The challenge. This was the space before we started. Not much to look at. It felt tight, unfinished, and honestly, a little chaotic. Our challenge was to reimagine this tiny room as a fully designed and livable space by blending modern style with classic warmth, all while staying within budget. That meant every piece of furniture and every design choice had to be smart, stylish, and budget-friendly. Style strategy plus cost goals. Our budget, just $3,800 for everything proposed. Furniture, lighting, decor, rugs, and curtains. To stay within that limit, we followed 3 design rules. First, we proposed upholstered pieces paired with low-profile forms that would give the home a modern flow. These accounted for roughly $1,100 of the total cost. Second, for contrast and structure, we incorporated fluted wood textures, marble surfaces, and mixed wood cabinetry, costing about $1,500, including key accent pieces and multifunctional storage. Lighting and decor were planned at around $600, with emphasis on ambient wall lighting, sculptural forms, and layered textures from accessories and soft furnishings. The rest, roughly $500, was allocated for finishes like rugs, curtains, and wall decor to visually tie everything together. Let's begin a room-by-room breakdown, starting with the living area. For this small space, we proposed a relaxing, stylish zone with recessed perimeter cove lighting to provide the right ambient glow. To enhance texture, narrow MDF panels were part of the design proposal, with an estimated cost of $95 to $170, depending on DIY or outsourced installation. For the main seating, we selected a $740 armless sofa from Wayfair's all-modern collection in beige, perfect for small spaces. For budget-conscious options, a modern minimalist sofa in the $300 to $350 range would also work well. For added comfort and style, the design includes an armless lounge chair in deep blue and a quilted cube poof, estimated together at around $360 to $390. Classic details like a geometric rug, soft curtains, and pleated floor lamp round out the styling. Final styling details like a soft cushions, a warm brown throw, navy abstract line art, and a tall indoor palm are budgeted at around $200 total. For the TV wall, we recommended a navy ribbed cabinet from Home Depot priced at $200 to $230. It offers storage and a display surface for decor. As a more affordable option, the Finhomey sideboard from Amazon comes in at around $119. To add layered lighting, a floating wood shelf with LED strip was also included, with an estimated cost of $45. This is the visualized final look of the proposed living area. Every element was selected to match the style and meet the budget. Even without walls or dividers, a small space like these benefits from clearly defined areas with distinct functions. A round dining table with a black marble look top and a fluted pedestal base, priced at around $279. It offers a statement look without breaking the bank. For those wanting a more budget-conscious option, the HSH Black Round Dining Table at $179 provides a similar silhouette and tone at a lower cost. To complement the table, we included curved-back dining chairs from Wayfair in deep blue fabric, priced at $160 to $170 each. On the wall side, the design includes a custom storage unit with open shelves in warm wood tones and integrated LED strip lighting, framing the fridge while doubling as display storage. The cost estimate for the custom cabinet plus labor is $250 to $300. For a DIY-friendly version, we recommended wood panels, flat panel cabinet fronts, and gold handles from Amazon, with a combined material and lighting cost of around $200. To complete the space, a few small decorative items in the $6 to $15 range were also factored in. In total, the proposed design for this dining area stays just under $750. Even in a small open layout, this can still feel distinct, functional, and beautiful. Now for the kitchen. Designed to feel clean, polished, and practical even within a tight footprint. In small homes, the kitchen is often squeezed into whatever leftover space is available, but our approach made sure it still felt intentional. For the countertop and backsplash, we selected the use of porcelain tiles for their smooth finish, durability, and stain resistance. Including both materials and installation, the estimated cost is around $250, offering style and function without overspending. Instead of ready-made units, we proposed a fully custom-built cabinet system. This included both top and bottom storage units, tailored precisely to the kitchen's layout. The design features laminated marine plywood for the frame and shaker-style doors in matte beige, paired with brushed gold handles for a classic accent. The proposed cost for the entire cabinetry system and LED strip lighting falls between $700 to $800. Appliance integration was also a key consideration. The layout is optimized to accommodate compact and functional kitchen appliances. Smart material choices and clean-lined layouts make this kitchen feel both functional and high-end, without requiring a large space or budget. The final proposed design totaled $3,760, which was still within the budget. We focused on standout elements, clever swaps, and a consistent aesthetic to make the space feel elevated without overspending. Here's how we made it feel high-end for less. We prioritized standout pieces that would define the space. These were items like the armless sofa, round dining table, and fluted textures, each carefully chosen for their style and scale. They serve as the visual anchors of the home, allowing the rest of the elements to support the look without needing to be expensive. We introduced wooden textures and marble-inspired details in high-impact zones like cabinets and shelves, giving it a designer touch using affordable, ready-made materials. And finally, we used textiles to bring warmth and cohesion, relying on low-cost accents to make the space feel soft, curated, and stylish. In the end, the space looks more expensive than it is, not because of what we spent, but because of how we designed. Every texture, shape, and color was chosen to support the overall style direction, making the entire home feel elevated and cohesive, even on a budget. So, what did this project prove? That you don't need a massive space or a huge budget to achieve a designer look. With thoughtful layout planning, smart furniture picks, and a strong design direction, even a small home can feel polished, harmonious, and custom. And if you want to recreate this look, check the description below for links to similar products and helpful resources. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp. If you found inspiration in this transformation, don't forget to subscribe for more budget-friendly design breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.